If you want to cleanse and purify your blood, make this tea, people. I'm going to show you the exact recipe to make this powerful tea. Stick around. Let's go. Alright, people. Time to go and look for our okra. You follow me, right? Come on. Let's go. Yeah, man, in the farm, you know. Yeah. You can see the nice vine, you know. Definitely. You can see the pumpkin as well. But here it is. Nice okra, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, people, so here it is. You know, okra. Yeah, man, and we're going to be needing these 2 okras, you know, because we want to make sure that our tea is very, very potent, right? And just for your information, you know, okra is excellent for healthy digestion, contains natural fiber, you know, that we actually need. And one of the things with okra, people, is that it is gentle on the stomach, you know. It also helps with hydration, and it has a lot of natural nutrients as well, and it supports healthy lifestyle. Yes, people, so this will be one of the powerful ingredients, you know, that we'll be using to make our tea, you know. Yeah, man, I want you to stick around to the end, you know, because I'm going to be adding a special ingredient, you know, to the okra tea. All right, so let us get our okra like this. Lovely. All right, people. Yeah, man, I'm going to get the other ingredient now. Let's go. Yeah, man, people. So we're moving on now to find our cerasee, you know. And just going through. Yeah. You know, I could do that another way. Hold on a little bit there. You know, sometimes there's an easier way to do things, alright? Yeah, man, so we're going to walk right here and go around, you know. Definitely. Yeah, man, so see it right here? Gonna have to kind of move away the pumpkin leaf a little bit, you know, and we're getting our cerasee, you know. Yeah, man, and I just want you to have a close-up of the cerasee. All right, so here it is, people. Yeah, man, cerasee, you know, very excellent for the blood, very, very excellent for sugar spikes, you know, especially for persons, you know, high blood sugar. You know, this is a traditional herbal remedy, you know, definitely. So for this video, I'm just going to be utilizing a handful of cerasee, and one of the things that you have to ensure that you do when reaping your cerasee, you want to make sure that, you know, it's only cerasee, you know, because, you know, cerasee grow a lot of time, you know, between or on other plants, other herbs, and you just want to check it to make sure that what you're actually using is cerasee. All right, yes. So now that we have checked and we are sure, we're going to use one of the greatest purifiers of the blood, you know, along with our okra here. All right, people. Yeah, man, so traditionally these help with infections. These will help, you know, with blood cleanse and colon cleanse, you know, detox, all natural, right, people? Yeah, man, so it's time to make our tea now, so stick around, don't go anywhere. Let's go. All right, people, so as you can see here, just washing off these 2, you know, nice okras, you know. Yeah, man, making them clean, you know. Yeah, doing the same for the cerasee, you know, to remove any dirt or anything like that from the cerasee, you know. Yeah, man, so ready now. All right, people, tea making time. So the first step is to place our cerasee in our teapot, right? Just want to just break it a little bit, you know, like this. Yeah. Yeah, man, real natural stuff, you know, people. Yeah, and then you place it in your teapot like this. All right, so just gonna pour 3 cups of hot water over our cerasee, just like this. Lovely. Then we're gonna cover our cerasee and allow it to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright people, so while our cerasee, is steeping, just gonna prepare our okra, Yeah man, so just gonna remove the edges. Alright, cutting time people. Definitely. Alright people, gonna place our okra in our teapot like this. Yeah, this is gonna be a wonderful tea, very very unique combination. If you're enjoying this video, just comment where you are watching from. Alright people. Wow. So lovely and nice, right people? Then I'm going to cover this for another 10 minutes. Alright people, yeah man, so you can place Mashiach HBLP powder, right? I'll pin a link in the description below. And it's a combination of like hawthorn, very very excellent for the heart, oregano, dandelion and more. Alright people, after adding the Mashiach HBLP powder, half teaspoon, you can add half teaspoon of Mashiach A powder. You just want this to be really really powerful. Alright, so after you add them, you just stir, like this. You can already see the slime, it's going to be a real powerful cleanser, for the blood, traditional blood support, excellent for blood sugar control, very very excellent traditionally used for blood pressure, regulating the blood as well, right? And the A powder, just special combination of like red raspberry, beetroot, ginger, oregano, and more. Alright people, so I'm gonna pin the link to both the A powder and the HBLP powder, so all those persons who would like to get theirs, you can do so. Alright, so you can look in the description for the links to these two products. Alright, after doing that, just gonna cover and leave this for another 5 minutes. Alright people, it's time to pour. You can see the richness of this right here. So we're gonna pour this off now. Alright, wow, lovely. See that people? Real stuff this, yeah man, real stuff, slimy but real stuff, very potent. Yes people, so right in my hand here is a powerful tea, traditionally used for blood pressure and blood sugar support. Yeah man, definitely a purifier this one. Alright people, so I'm just gonna have this now. Yeah man, it's not bad. The taste, slightly bitter, but that the bitter herbs, that bitter taste, it's excellent for like liver support, excellent for like bile flow, very very excellent for the body people. Alright, I just want to say thank you for all the persons that have stick around to the end of this video. If you have not yet smashed that subscribe button, remember to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and share this video with your friends. One love, shalom.